Alright, this is a clock that I just finished repairing for a client. Had lots of problems, needed a lot of repairs. One of the wheels on the strike side, the second one here, needed to be completely rebuilt and replaced. The old wheel is here. It had several broken teeth, and the previous repair person had done a really poor patch job, and for whatever reason, I don't know how, this is a 52 tooth wheel and it ended up with 53 teeth, and because of the extra tooth, the count wheel could not advance properly. It would go out of sequence because of the gearing. So now it's been completely repaired, 6 bushings, replacing the wheel, re-leathering the hammer, cleaning, oiling, adjusting, removing a solder repair on the back as well, and now it seems to be striking correctly. It has several interesting patents on this movement. There's a patent for the flywheel. There's a patent for the striking mechanism, which this one you can actually wind backwards. There's a patent on the pendulum, and there's a patent on the gong. This is a model Pandia by Gilbert. Unfortunately, the original top is missing. It only has part of it, but there's not enough budget for the restoration of the entire top. It had originally large blocks, carved, special moldings, dental molding, as well as moldings on the top, and then this piece was on top of that. So there we go, recent restoration. I thought I would show it off. Alright.